What's up, YouTube? Foster with Tech a Day, and we have a great video for you today. Now, before we get into that, guys, we still have the Thinborne giveaway, and we are not giving away one, but we're giving away two of these beautiful cases. Hit the link in the description and enter right now. It is free. On top of that, we're giving away these as well. So we have 4 cases going to you lucky guys, and we have about 80 people entered into that giveaway. So hit that link, enter the giveaway. But today we are installing another screen protector on the Moto Razr Fold. And I decided to do it live in living color on video. Right now, you guys know I put the matte screen protector on the outer screen, and I told you I was loving the inner privacy screen protector. Well, the people over at ARMORSUIT have a matte inner screen protector, and I had something like this on my Fold 7, and I loved it. And I will tell you now, I love this so much on the outer screen that I said, you know what, I'm gonna put it on the inner screen. Plus, I want to know what happens when we take this screen protector off. So guess what, we're gonna find out on camera what happens when you take the inner screen protector off the inner screen after you've installed one. So disclaimer, educational purposes only. I'm gonna find out, see if this messes the phone up. Please, tech gods, please hope it doesn't. But we'll find out. I'll let you know, if this is something I'll advise or not advise. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. I don't think we'll have any issues, but we'll find out. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I got this from ARMORSUIT. I will tell you, I reached out to see if we could, get a collab. I have not heard back, but you know what? I'm not gatekeeping. I'm going to put a link in the description straight to their website where you can get this. They do have this on Amazon, and I have an affiliate link on Amazon, but I am not going to put the Amazon affiliate link, because the Amazon link says it could take you up to like 2-3 weeks to get that. This I ordered from ARMORSUIT, and it came with 2 outer screen protectors, and it came with 2 inner screen protectors. This is a wet install. Now, you guys know, I've been telling you guys, wet installs, I love wet installs because they are very forgiving. And the thing with ARMORSUIT is they give you a lifetime warranty, right? You just register and you have that lifetime warranty. So you get 2 inners, 2 outers right in the box, right? So we're going to put all this stuff back in the box because obviously we don't need them. Put that back in the box. And then we're going to put one of these back in the box. Now, I'm going to tell you, I'm nervous. I am very, very nervous about this. Okay, so I'm going to tell you right off the bat. So it comes with a sticker. It comes with a squeegee. It comes with this and the thing. Now, I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to come back, and I'm going to tell you something that ARMORSUIT, if you guys are watching, you need to put this in the thing. But I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Now, if ARMORSUIT, if you're watching, you need to include a bigger squeegee. because this is one, it's perfect for a slab phone, because when you're putting something like this on, you can perfect. But for a foldable phone, and this came with one of my Huawei XT, one of my trifold device screen protectors. Now you can get a full device, but there's no way you're getting, you have to do it 3 times. You can't do a whole device like this. You're gonna get bubbles. So ARMORSUIT or anybody trying to do, you need to get a longer squeegee, to do one of these devices to do this. So this is the most nerve-wracking part about this. It's taking the screen protector off of the phone. And so, you know what? First thing we're going to do... Oh, man. Okay. As you can see... Oh, my God. Look, guys. This thing came off. This is the privacy screen protector that I put on. It was super simple. Now, when I pulled it off, I took very caution. I knew that I was not going at both screen protectors. I knew that. I knew that I wasn't, okay? I knew that I wasn't going at both screen protectors. So that's when you're taking, if you haven't installed a screen protector on your inner screen, we have now debunked the whole, oh, it's going to ruin your screen protector. Well, no, it will not. It will not ruin your screen protector at all. There's really no issue whatsoever with the screen protector on the screen. Did they give us any cleaning solution? They did not. All right, now ARMORSUIT again. In this pack, I don't know if this was just mine or this one, for whatever instance, for whatever reason, it did not include, and I don't remember with my other one if it included any cleaning wipes, but I feel like it did. This one didn't have any cleaning wipes inside of the screen protector install kit. There was nothing to clean your screen, but before you install, you're going to want to clean the screen, right? This screen is going to need to get clean. Now, granted, I just took a screen protector off of this, but it's going to need to be clean. Realistically, we're going to just turn this off. All right, we're going to turn this off. Turn this off. All right, we're turning that off. It's off. And if you're going to use a rag, try to use a microfiber cloth, right? Because they can stay as dust free as possible. All right. Now you usually, this is where this, usually have just removal tape. Now you can see that this is why these are, at least all the US, any global, except for, these honors, and are very reflective. And that's why I'm getting one of these. trying to get dust off the screen. Can't tell if it's just dusty down here or if there's just a lot of dust on the screen. Don't want imperfections. Okay, now check it one more time. Damn. Okay. Now we're gonna, I spray, and I'm very liberal with my spray. Now you take your sheet, you're gonna peel this off. I always spray your fingers. You're gonna peel your sheet off, right? Peel your sheet. You're gonna peel your sheet, spray both sides, and then you're going to apply your sheet. Now, you don't have to be perfect that first time because it's a wet install, so you can kind of slide it into where it needs to go. Right? You just kind of slide it in there. And once it's in there, you are good to go. And this is where I said, this is why having a wet and a bigger, what do you call it, is always good. Give it a nice, there we go. Like that. Move it like that. All right, see, did it move a little bit? There we go, moved a little bit. Now you can kinda, there you go. And then you just kind of hold the corner so it doesn't shift. And now we can add a little bit of pressure, give it a good swipe. Up, down. All right, then we get this side. Up and down. Now you're gonna do this up top, up, down. Now you're gonna do it on this side. You know, then you can just have rag there, drying these corners. Now, like I said, the good thing is this is water. It has water protection, you know, so you're good there, but you want to just make sure you're keeping, you know, you don't leave that water there too much. You can take a look and make sure you didn't, so you can see we shifted there we go. So yeah, we shifted it just a little bit. There you go. So we shifted that a little bit. So you just want to make sure we are where we need to be. So now you take this smaller one in and make sure we are where we need to be at, or where we want to be here. There you go. And so what I do is, it's going to take about 15-20 minutes to dry, but you want to make sure this is fully, there's no bubbles or anything. See? You want to make sure everything is fully out, fully dry. There you go. So you're good. We're good. It's on. Now this needs to dry. And we're good. It's installed. We don't need to close it. Let me turn it back on. I think we gotta... And there we go. We got a full install. It's that simple. So now this just needs to dry. I'm not gonna fold it. I'm gonna just leave this open, let it dry for about 15-20 minutes. And you know what? I will update you guys, once I let this thing dry, over the weekend. But like I said, it's, as you can see now in that light, this is... doesn't really take away from your resolution. It just gives it a slight matte. It's got like a very paper feel to it, but I love it. I love it already, as you can see. All right, guys, talk to you later. Remember, free giveaway, link in the description. This is the ARMORSUIT, not ARMORSUIT, ARMORSUIT matte 2-pack screen protector.